And sorghum was one of the original crops that humans interacted with, and it's still a huge crop in China and parts of Africa. It grows everywhere in the world. Predominantly though, it's grown for grain, and there's a few strains that have been optimized for what Rich calls sweet sorghum, which is where it's optimized for the sugar content in the cane. Even if we grow that type of sorghum elsewhere, there's not a sort of history and knowledge base about how to harvest it the most efficiently, whether they happen to have 100-year-old sorghum presses lying around that they can easily use for juicing. So it's more about the tradition and craftsmanship that's existing here, and then slowly kind of bringing that to other places in the world. I really like the idea of producing something in different parts of the world where you get a sense of terroir and not trying to make them exactly the same. The duality of flavor is something I think we're actually pushing for.
I was raised in central Iowa, and my grandfather used to go down to the orchard every fall and buy a gallon of syrup and bring it out. And so I acquired the taste for it and really enjoyed it. In the early part of our experimentation, there was 2 years that we actually ran 50 varieties on test to find a variety we thought that was adapted to this area. Historically, there had been a lot of sorghum raised in Wisconsin during the Civil War here. We picked a variety that basically come from a family down around Dubuque, Iowa. The family's name was Simon, and so we called this sorghum Simon after him. We have no idea the genealogy of what it is. It was adapted for that local area over a period of 100 and some years. We found it to be a very good sorghum up here.
I love the flavor. The antioxidants in it are huge. Good health syrup.